3 chains first, yarn over, and going in the first, like any way you like. And you don't do the double crochet, you do the patent double crochet when you have this, or extended double crochet. You make the base for the next double crochet you're gonna crochet. And do double crochet now. This is your like first double crochet. Then again, yarn over and go into this base here you placed. I pick up the both loops here. We have both loops here. So we have a firmer base. Pull through and don't make the double crochet yet. Make the base first. That's called extended double crochet. You made one chain here and then you do double crochet. And then again yarn over and you go in the base you just made. Pull through and make the chain as the base for the next double crochet you're gonna do. And crochet, double crochet. There we go. Extended double crochets. Don't need to make the long chain and guess how much you need actually. Maybe you overdo sometimes, and no need to start over with the chains again. Just go with the flow. Decide on the go how much you need. I mean, how many stitches you need, how many loops you need for your project. It's a good way. See? You never done that? I thought you do. I thought you did already. It's it's quite well, not quite common, I'd say. And yeah, you need to sweat a little bit on these corners here. With this, it's better. Like you have the increase, right? Um, like if you make this corner first, chain 2, and then in the same base you do double crochet in the same base. Let me pick it up. So we have this corner, and then again in the same base you get through and make the base for the next double crochets you're gonna crochet. And then again. Too many amigurumi instead of these stitches, I see. So yeah, we have like what, six loops in one row. Okay, I overdid it here so that we form this corner here. We don't finish the last double crochet, we need this. Then you do yarn over again and go into the base and make another extended double crochet. And you make them both in one top. See, these 2 double crochet go with one top. Then we need this arc here. How did I do it here? Maybe there is a better way. I don't know. I just do yarn over, go to the base. I did, I think 2. Yeah, 1 chain 2 chains, and then I made the beginning of this next double crochet, but you need two double crochets together. Yarn over, don't finish it, right? Pick up this little unbeautiful, not beautiful yarn here, but because you need it, and pick up the second chain, make the base for extended double crochet, begin it, and then you finish both double crochets together. So this is the corner, and then again you got the base, and you start the row building the base with a chain, making the double crochet, getting back to this base, making the chain, double crochet, and again the base, chain, double crochet. So that's how we have it, the zigzag. Got updated. I'm glad.